Hi, I'd like to show you a couple different ways that you can construct a golden rectangle using SketchUp. A golden rectangle is a rectangle whose sides are in proportion to the golden ratio. So the first and easiest way to do this is to select the rectangle tool, and when you construct your rectangle, you will see that you get a little diagonal that shows up. This one says square. But if you pull it out a little further, you'll get one that says it's a golden section. That gives you a golden rectangle. And so you can continue to pull along that diagonal and you will continue to create a golden section. Once you've constructed that, you can push and pull that as you desire. Another way that you can do this, and this way gives you a bit more control, is to create a golden rectangle through a construction. The process for this is as follows. The first thing we're going to do is select the rectangle tool, and we want to construct a square. So we're going to use that diagonal and we're going to construct a square. Once you've constructed your square, you need to find the midpoint of the side. There's one midpoint, and I'm just going to draw this line across. I think it makes it easier to maintain and find that midpoint. We're going to then pick up the circle, and we want to construct a circle, the center of the circle at the midpoint of the square, and the radius to the diagonal, along the diagonal to the vertex of the square. So that's the circle that's going to help me with this construction. I now need to add a rectangle from the side of my square to the side of my circle. And I want it to be as tall as this square. So I'm going to pick up that point and drag over until Sketchpad tells me I am where I want to be. There we go. There we go. So there's my rectangle. Now I can erase my circle and my work points. And this is a golden rectangle. We can measure the sides of that golden rectangle, and you'll need to measure your sides and show your ratios in your project. The way you do that is to pick up the measuring tape and go from end point to end point. And the side of this rectangle is 51 and 25/64. So I'll go into my calculator. 51 plus 25/64. And I'll hit enter. That's the one side I need to measure. That would be A plus B. And this side would be A, the shorter side, and that's 31 and 57/64. 31 and 57/64. So I'm going to divide 51.390.625 by 31.89. And you can see that that is the golden ratio. There you have it. I hope you have fun with your project constructions.